medical spa getting a HydraFacial.
Yes.
And I want you to see the before and the after. Gonna see you soon.
I'm a licensed medical esthetician.
She's received the most retention rate out of all 1,000 videos I've uploaded on YouTube. So we are super
So this
excited.
is going to be what? Is this going to be number 2 or is this going to be
This
number 1?
has to be number 2.
one.
So if you're watching, you have got to watch this past 30 seconds.
That does, it's going to help to hydrate, soften your skin.
Oh, I love
It
it.
helps with fine lines and wrinkles, okay? Will help with
Oh,
hyperpigmentation.
get rid of my hyperpigmentation.
Yeah, so we're going to begin with
And
cleansing your skin with
eliminate those wrinkles.
Yes, we don't want wrinkles with a gentle cleanser.
I've had a challenge with cleansers. I like it to be like squeaky clean. What would you suggest to that?
Well, you don't want it too squeaky clean. What are you using right now for your cleansing products? You
So,
told me in the past.
Because but I use toners, serums,
No,
everything
but
to
it
make
doesn't
up.
matter. You don't want to use soap on your skin because
Okay.
soap is alkaline and your skin is slightly acidic. So what it does is just strips the skin of the outer layer, causing more blackheads and dehydration to the skin.
You don't
And when you
want
cause
that.
your skin to dehydrate, you're going to find that your collagen is going to unravel and form a line, wrinkles, fine lines and wrinkles. So
Technique is
it
fabulous.
feels nice.
I know, she does.
So, have you had a facial before? I noticed you used a computer screen for this. This is really a lot different than what I remember getting facials.
Well, the facials have improved over the years.
Oh, I
Isn't
feel
this
that.
nice? So it's sucking up all the dead cells on your skin.
Oh, get
Yeah.
rid of those dead puppies.
Yes.
We don't want dead stuff
No,
on
we
there.
do not. It's almost kind of like a little microdermabrasion.
Oh, I
yeah,
love
machine
it.
as well. And it also infuses nutrients to the skin too because it's sucking up all the dead surface cells. Your skin is looking amazing already.
Love it.
Yeah.
And you definitely want to use a medical or pharmaceutical grade. There's a difference between cosmeceutical and pharmaceutical.
Yes, there is.
Cosmeceutical, there's a certain percentage of things that could get into the ingredients.
Dennis actually knows a lot of stuff.
I went to school to be a cosmetic chemist. So I wanted to know the difference between why would you spend the money on a salon product or why would you spend the money on a supermarket product?
Yeah, we're doing a peel on your skin right now. So it's going to
Ooh.
loosen all the dead cells so moisture is able to flood into the skin.
I
Yeah.
love that.
Yeah.
This is why I leave it to the professionals.
Yes.
This is extremely relaxing. You can feel the difference. Phenomenal.
Good. It does look wonderful. Yeah. Isn't it relaxing?
Isn't it?
Get
Blackheads.
around there, yeah. Go in there deep.
Yeah. And people love that.
Oh yeah. Phenomenal.
Good. It does look wonderful. Yeah, it does look so much better, Dennis.
Thank you. Owe it all to you. This next treatment we're doing is a dab and hold.
It's the antioxidant skin solution. So what we're
Ooh,
doing
I
is
like
we're forcefully infusing it. It doesn't hurt. It's not
Oh,
painful.
I love it.
But we're forcefully infusing
And it
the
smells
antioxidant
fabulous.
solution into your pores.
Yep. Lots of
Why didn't I know
nutrients.
about this before?
This is really going to bring up that water level of your skin. All that, and it's so healthy with all the nutrients going into your skin.
HydraFacial is very safe for all skin types. It's good for sensitized, acne, older skin,
Mature.
mature skin.
Give me the full enchilada. So right now we're finalizing the treatment and this is amazing.
Well, right now I'm moisturizing your skin. It's the end of the treatment,
Ooh.
and your skin has this awesome, wonderful, beautiful glow.
I love
Yes, and because we, took off a lot of the dead skin cells and we put a lot of nutrients back into your skin, you got to be careful out in the sun because you will burn easier because we took so many dead cells off your face. So I'm putting a nice moisturizer on your skin, and then I'm going to follow it up with SPF 30.
it. Phenomenal.
Okay, feels nice, huh?
Oh, highly recommend this.
Look at your skin.
5
It
stars.
does.
It does look good.
Doesn't it look amazing? It really does.
Can't order this on Amazon.
No. And I just like to really massage things in because it really penetrates that moisture into the skin.
And everybody should use an SPF 30 no
Yes.
matter where you live.
That's
Right,
right.
you
Even
are
on
right.
cloudy days.
Yeah.
Even on cloudy days,
Winter
you can burn.
time.
Yeah, winter time, outdoors. How's this feel on your face?
Your technique is
I know,
amazing.
Terry. Yeah,
Really?
it's like
Thank you so much.
yeah.
Thank you.
Top tier.
I'm gonna put a little lip treatment on you.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm gonna use a little
Lip away.
Lip away, and a little feather it in. Nice, huh?
Mm-hmm. Does this plump?
No.
No, but we have a service for that.
But there is a
We do have a
for
service
that.
for that.
Oh,
You are all
thank
set.
you. This is fabulous. Oh my
Your
gosh,
skin
You
it
look good.
feels
I'm just gonna
amazing.
go over your eyes a little bit, just for,
Oh, do we put eye cream on?
I'll put a little eye cream on, but I'm just gonna go over because of all the nutrients that we put onto the skin. I don't want any kind of blurriness from all the moisture that I put onto the skin. And then I
So
just put a
thorough.
little, cream, and you're all good to go.
Thank you. So
Yeah, feeling good?
Oh, this is phenomenal.
Yeah, and whenever you put an eye cream on, you wanna do it on the bone area of your eye.
Yes.
You don't wanna apply it directly underneath your
No.
eye.
And you
Always.
start here, go.
Yeah, and all the
Yeah.
way around the orbit of the eye.
The
If you
orbit,
put the eye cream or directly underneath the eye or on top of the eye, it gets into your eye and it can
Yeah.
also cause inflammation.
Mhm.
Because with the heat of your body, the eye cream will drop
Because-
to where you actually want it.
Yeah, us professionals are the worst. We think more is better.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's not what we teach. We teach less is
Yes,
more.
Yeah.
less
So I'm
is
like,
more.
ooh, this
And
is
that's with
good.
everything
Just
in
keep-
life.
yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
And then,
And
yeah.
so, and that's what you always think by putting it directly under or on their eyes that it's going to really correct the problem.
Yeah.
But it actually makes you blurry and
Yeah.
everything else. you
So
want to just
my
always
advice
go
is
and
stay
grow
away
it.
from the department stores and come to the professionals.
Yes,
Mhm.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Definitely.
Love that.
Yes.
The licensed
The
professional.
licensed
professionals, yes.
Exactly. And we love what we do. So
Thank you.
we can see you close up. You
Yeah.
know, if you go into department stores, you
Mhm.
can't really analyze the
Yeah.
skin and
No.
to see what the exact needs.
What a difference. I love it.
Isn't it nice?
Oh my
Look at
goodness.
And
this
then you have a gunk
glowing.
jar over there that has
Oh.
all of
Yep.
your poured
Yep.
gunk, which you
Oh my gosh.
here.
Okay, so we'll show that when I get dressed. So this is all the gunk from my skin. Look at that. Is that not like, oh my gosh, it is filthy. This is everything they took out.
I know, it's amazing. It's an exceptional treatment. It
It
truly
is.
is.
Recommend it.
Yes.
There's
Definitely.
there's my gunk.